In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Quora. If you want to build a community around a specific topic, share posts with a focused audience, or organize content in one dedicated place, creating a Quora space is a great option. The process is simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get it done in just a few moments. To begin, open Quora and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main interface, look for the space button. This is the section where Quora lets you explore, manage, and create spaces for different interests and communities. Go ahead and click on the space button to continue. After that, you'll be taken to the spaces area. Here, you should see the option labeled Create a Space. Click on that option. This opens the setup window where you can start defining your new space. Quora uses this setup to understand what your space is about and how it should be presented to other users. Next, enter a brief description for your space. This part is important because the description gives people a quick understanding of the purpose of the space. Keep it short, clear, and relevant to the topic you want to focus on. A good description helps attract the right audience and makes your space feel more organized from the start. If you already know the kind of content you plan to share, you can reflect that in the description so visitors immediately know what to expect. Once you've added the description, review it quickly to make sure everything looks the way you want. Even though this is a short field, being clear here can make a difference in how your space is perceived. It's always a good idea to use simple wording that matches the topic and tone of your community. When you're ready, click on Create. As soon as you do that, Quora will generate your new space and make it available for you to start building out. From there, you can continue customizing it and preparing it for content and members, but the actual creation process is complete as soon as you hit that Create button. And that's it. That's how to create a space in Quora. As you can see, the setup is very straightforward. Go to the space section, choose Create a Space, add a brief description, and click Create. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have your new Quora space ready in no time.